Take a ride in the 2023 Titan. The Titan houses the Endurance V8 engine, the largest standard truck engine in its class. But the benefits don't stop there. The massive interior cabin boasts a fold-up rear bench seat and a flat loading floor. When it comes to power and comfort, the Titan can't be beat. This vehicle has less than 9,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear step bumper, trailer brake controller, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, brake assist, remote keyless entry, splash guards, front wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.